True. That's what I'm dancing.
This
That's
is
what
Kara. And I'm sending this to Jerry.
Oh, hey, Jerry.
So we're
Hey,
here
Jerry.
helping Kara. Kara's the one who started the nature center here.
My van away.
And you can see they go from chrysalises, they're caterpillars here. And she catalogs them. These
Just
two
what I'm doing.
came out this morning, or yesterday? Yesterday. But Kathy's doing some of the
There's my
cataloging
catalog. Show her
here.
how we have to catalog everything
They all
as
have
they
to be
grow.
cataloged
Measured.
with their growth
Measurements,
and things
yep.
like that. But anyway, it's just a beautiful place. Very nice. And all the chrysalises hanging in here and in the back.
That brought us
And these are caterpillars that are going to become chrysalises soon. It's a beautiful place. She's got wonderful displays here. It's an educational center. People who have raised and released butterflies. And over here, this is pretty cool. This is how tadpoles happen. And here's a little buddy in here. Yeah, you used to be a tadpole.